This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Iris Leith. Here is an opportunity to rebuild a home directly across the street from the Caloosahatchee River in the Cape Coral Yacht Club area. You will be among million and multi-million-dollar properties in one of the most desirable locations of Cape Coral. The Cape Coral beach and boat launch ramps are only a short drive or bike ride away. With plans to rebuild the entire beach area with restaurants, swimming pools, new fishing pier and much more, you will be in a prime location to enjoy the ultimate lifestyle of Southwest Florida. This area has city water and sewer services in place with no assessments due. Make a phone call for more details today and secure this property now. For more information, review the details below or contact Iris Leith at 239-443-3160.